Ukase o narrow it down.
As a free agent, you won't power.
O sisi no sana jumani no.
Ejuma okay.
O tetana on.
Wakati bia fra.
Unya be two bia na unze. What's from?
And advantage be in the room. They can
advantage is financially you are a bit secured when it comes to free agents compared to to player. No tier transfer fee. No I'm a player and sign no fee. Now I nyadi na ucha contract ma obre. But free agent don't say we are now.
Busome na dia na. I'm fine now than I see.
Until you do understand them. I think the Kotoko just one transfer in terms of EPS Kama Club. In Emmanuel Sanja,
Vision Boy.
They are Kenyan smart recruitment. He talk to top agencies, top to any agencies I can see in Kasa because send your Samba ne Kamara will be the Ayo Kotokono, be briwo. Only on Kasomdi Beba. Some are willing to come down for observation. Others you probably need to watch them and speak to certain people, league or mobile. For instance, we person sign a Samba. Na on pese samba babe observation obetimi afre Ghana ha enya nipa kukuda mo mbe ka samba bibi a kira mo okay the recommendation will be positive say we do see shima without watching the player face to face no you'll be okay based on the free over over sana humanity clubs now asked to shebia up to folk is John Entry and say you can say your top 10 recruitment at John Entry need to be there boy a top signing over. The way I have
top signings are clubs near
top 10 I said John Entry
definitely.
There you can't take that out. I mean but he has seen it all and House of Folk like leadership. Oh food no so and you can say he has captain. Especially with the offensive third. See a real ball they are to them Kwalane Dawson. John Beckham down. I mean he's a coach on the field and obey improve out of full fear factor. And one thing about him is on Sanya Emre. If you want him out 34 matches, but when you number 25 in crucial moments, Adriana has home and away, Mediama has home and away, Kotoko has home and away. Brekum Chelsea, Bechem, some matches, no. Post City ne DB before the obet me agumukakra. If you has a baby be any pressure or ho, a John Entry match. Then Kwalani did home. So he makes the top 10. Stephen Amankona, 2-time top scorer. Okoye amfa no aba bova obu obekwan for baha no aba ne diem otisimu afuo no titen and that's Amankona for you. My only issue how Boadu can manage Amankona. Also Amankona will be ho without the ball wada over
onka ho bi oni party ne mu
and his antics on the field but turning sa there's so many jai no near Juma Chelsea but also Chelsea no also the difference between Chelsea and Diana Chelsea no ubenya nkofo be adwuma na Diana no bia star nti e nobwa and the mama nkona nya issue Kotoko no cause Kotoko no lose ball na ogumunti ase say Jarat back no honko na ugina ho e so oba beboa because you are not the only star we are talking about Diana team o say du sana o Emmanuel Aban or Emmanuel Mafo also Khan Mohammed Seydou or Ba father somewhat Tinedu opinion Daniel Awuni amanfo nim no but that former Accra Lions boy no akwantu no koy aba omu nyina omu pia Benjamin Cheva no mu nyina e wo hobio entie meja wo sa nko ano born tike mu na ogina na aso osisi twen o but he's a top signing so nya Shokan Mohammed over why recruitment Ediana is smooth signing because that boy before leaving Ghana was one of the best in the position. His understanding of the game, the passes.
Has in
and Tunisia for them discover no the boys no 1 year no maba. And still nam sa Teddy Nechi or two quenina na Teddy Nechi. So yeah fast. Boy ni be through Ghana no train be call. So these two for Diana looks good. Kwame Poku to baby any go stars. What a signing over. Nakapi can once them. Ulusu Samuel ate kubinanya Kwame bejina ni mwa over Kwame ye potential 10 and more goals in a league season. Jobe can be a Kwame Poku player almost 10 goals or more obejina di and also we baby any no sukumami ndi be mo kwala ni be adwuma ma no so you can even have that confidence Kwame beat me a BBL 15 at the Ama Gold Stars in case of any operation bibia or mayama bay for no inti Kwame Poku Bay, that's a solid one for baby any Gold Stars Midiama enya H Dogli of our Saulusu Fuzi Taylor na Ulusu Salim Adamsa o made for the soya hojuma manual man tesu contract we there's so pay BOMBSHELL and winner H Dogli over from Heart of Lions. That's good. A solidify midfield, no. And almost Emmanuel Ano from Nations. Emmanuel Ano a player or more 10 goals or more as a winger, whilst there are other players to support. Ebenezer Dade also from Dreams FC so joining Midiama right back concept right back coming Lusu Kamara Dino. I'll call Sudano and I'm called Victor Duro, but Duro Hunso. And over now, I'm the Atoso Akofa Adade from a Dreams FC. Solid player. I'm for Emmanuel Boateng so Edne can finfi. On paper, Midiama Sono over H. Dogli Emmanuel Ano. 2 signings. I bet media compare any player our club will be. Then over can Zakaria back to Chelsea. Zakaria back Kotoko. Wakoni diem. And Chelsea for Nebe there because their former captain. A baby genetic ho de momo Kotoko na looks like oman se den hu kwan yusu Zakaria no
sa hu no
se Kotoko na samba no e preach na Zak na first to the ball ba ko brekum Chelsea na omo pra omo take first no na Zak na ye e chi pra no with experience no getting Zakaria for saying will do them a lot of good e wo e chiro over I mean the wakoni DM easily for him to settle, come back to the party and do wonders. And also call Diemua. Adia ya o shene confidence. No call Diema. Easily you get your confidence back. So you can have that belief that Zakaria Benya the confidence in the back for him to get the job done for club a friend Brekum Chelsea. Then you come to Kotoko. Danlad return solid. Abdul Wadia and Oma unveiling over the Moroccan goalkeeper. My name is Vesa Newo say born.
Here we are.
Yes. My name is but
Vesa.
Me de ma Vesa Shadi. Over this is the Moroccan goalkeeper. Vesa Shena. The statistics be any huejuma. Okipu just 1 clean sheet, which was bad. But over statistics now you extra breakdown for the statistics. Unya 39 saves. And now over a Friday be SG expected goals conceded. Expected goals conceded near boy a fan say a shaky pebia normal. Oh boy shaky pebia over a normal. Now the expected goals conceded no a 22.93 on the toss of 4 no.
Okay.
Good. Our league not dying. It's not based on matches or die no. Now more expect to say goals Makumako 23 and a ton in net. Of a 14 and a ton in net. What it means is that me saves not prevent a year 6 so 14 23 into 6 for sorry 8 goals from entering his net. The 39 saves no. It prevented 8 goals. I ever find say shaky pebia from entering the net of this goalkeeper, Abdul Wadia. So it tells you say what the league no die over in terms of saves on the torso number 4. Just that the NHS and defense no more. We have expected goals no or torso number 2. That is the goalkeeper. Instead of conceding expected goals, first one here 26 and on here 23. But conceded 14. The out of 23 goals, you ever find say better on the net, 14 and a ton in net. Now the man come on the story behind the story new. His signing was recommended by Menzo.
Simon.
Yes.
Okay.
Menzo the share download name.
Cause you know dia na senka kofu busa what download ne.
Yeah.
Dia then asa ko fa ba kwa.
Menzo na bibia.
Okay.
Menzo
ya juma da na so monitor
no. Monitor no.
Ah, okay.
Monitor no. And according to news, Menzo felt the ball playing game now got to person on between download anyway. Omo are sees as a short stopper. Obo obeyi, obo obeche no. But say ya pass ya be chiri control pass no. Omo rate we ne download over Aziz. Nti one the Menzo recommendation.
Okay.
Nti I would want to believe that Menzo was a former goalkeeper. Jova, you'd want to trust his recommendation. Ewa honti download ni keeper we the NC solid. So when you Agadas about fin. Yes, I agree it's about 2 years on boy, but Yasheno Kotoko friendlies no. Over he wasn't bad. The energy level no, the tackling, the leadership, the aggressiveness. And I also download ye better Agadas ye better passer than Prince Bedu. Just that I still felt next time Kotoko keep Zakaria and Bedu. Oh, you say center backs no. Abeka the Abbey Aristotle oni Bini and Hamzata and Oma converted Joseph Amuako. Jofanan Kaminya Zakaria and Kahon. Oh, because game league in a wa. But all in all, no, it looks like teams need a good recruitment from all angles. Out of Lions, Mona Man said Ante, DBBimo, but all four so far Isaac Minta. That's good. Omo for Minta, and I'm at some for Justice Blay. Into for a Division 1 team, but of our experience. Into when your boys will so be Kanwa of a no so bad, and a camarade boy, no. Mama boy, Alex
Banso.
Ono so kakra na wachire no, if all things being equal, you can be one star for the city. Recruitment of Obiaye, but you see park no so an even say we in here and I say in Tibi and I in Tete and was about team no.
It's almost no more correct nema. 1-1-2 no help us. So but a panel promise Kwana says a Campuma. We have about 12 in defense department.
See if you must not mean among Quasen came.
Let me see a Kuyajuma. Omudi buy is only buy Omudi on the account.
For the 12 about the other 80 the bar or someone go
of Ayanton airtime, but media no. The only time they say almost stop on Crawford now. Almost media men on better. So help your man media that you are. No problem come media for because the banner better show the radio. What do you call it?
ID card.
No allow no. I'm an alcohol room. But I'll confirm no because we go through, you know. We have for one and any money, and you see the point?
Okay.
Yes, that's all. One, promise one, TV 2. So we are talking about 6.
Why?
You know, so the apostle by our near Bishi, our near Kasaya, in any son of Bianyefe. Now to the teams, no, most of the teams no are signed by be assigned 13, be assigned 9, be assigned 10. I think Gold Stars any vision and I pay almost quite side no to maintain a lot of home players no. Omanye bebre because you do teach him what the CEO of Gold Stars teach him why Oman come market and co sign bebre because he felt say players no sign Omoko Africa because last year Omoko Africa no when they back on recruitment na year ka say more top players young players only experience go African or say they will not tweak recruitment plan or they will go by some of us criticize him say any uncle African uncle fat. Of course African uncle fat, but now they knew what we were doing. So those players in the Bebo League, and most of those players are there, except top striker now Oko Iraq now. So Onokononya Kompuku. Yeah, Kumi. Atakumi. No, your Kompuku Beshawa. I think say Omufu say you're good to go. So Gold Stars about 3 or so players, and I think say team no because of say team no other than. So for a weekend we were Real Madrid here Barcelona. No mount team I order that. Anything I in the full. You see the point? You could clearly see Madrid team no. These are players I feel almost in a competitive match together. For the first game against Espanyol.
Compared to Barca team no order that.
As against Barca team no order.
And I make a job based on one team.
Who that understand football over.
Players in the other top, I can't never jail. I know you are what the idea of order that. But about could be a befra.
So that's why not message actually because the win what him on the current yeah. Or I say he's happy that slim margin 2-0 win no. 2-1 win no. Because when it is that all prepare, will be a team order that on you see no the advantage of me there man war Gold Stars war to the stand be a vision a war ahead of the Kotoko house more and no Sadio. And across all Obama between Kotoko and House of Folk will have an edge over Asante Kotoko. The reason being that House of Folk almost squad the pana Omo Bono. If you can face a call, go start to call him. Omo Winga or share what's the name?
I'm not.
Why you?
Mauli.
One Isa. What I say? Any place House of Folk any Omo Kahun. But Omo place that place. That's all place. Omo with Obi say John Entria. Over on how it is. So I think it's a Kotoko na. I think the supporters will need to give the coach some time to fix the team. Over the reason I'm saying that is Kotoko out of about 12 players at Mihono, 7 players are new to Ghanaian terrain. Omu nim ya ha. Omu oli gini bi da. And so be our body division when be crowd hana with nim system with here. These are players are almost free outside NRA system. No. Say they will need to adapt to the system. No. The coach have to need to work on them. And Sana, players be what say midfielder AGADAS over getting to 2 seasons on here mobile. AGADAS. What I say? Or don't we need to come back to the old self no. Now what me say? Oh AGADAS what me my sir, what me get it over the fitness issue or back into the old AGADAS now. Fine player. And I go to Konya. But it will take some time. And what me Abba. Dan lad, all free Asante Kotoko akono. Na oye player Kotoko ehun ni say we wie adwuma. So num dan lad project na. Lord Opokunti eton from under 17. Keto akra. Yes. And I didn't bab ebetra Kotoko no or pass it through Kotoko. Ah na young boy na o macho Kotoko mu no. The born the Kotoko ni na wie ye no. For Kotoko to assess Dan lad kwa Kotoko and try to renew the contract. Being said now Kotoko freeze away. Now he's return it or back. So let me come back to the old Dan lad now. Fine goalkeeper. What I say? Over all these things it will take some time. Say if every coach it will lucky na say players now adapt too quickly for him, it's good. But say if over a slow adaptation Kotoko will struggle kakra before they will get back to our own self. So over yes, I'm to players no, players no be aba, but teams like Mediama no, ideally, an advantage because Mediama lot of honorable players. Salim na free, but all the HDW ababeshim. These are top players in no more league. They know a league, They've traveled the length and breadth, south and west of the Ghanaian, they know it will about winning league now or bono. So these are some of the things that among the dynamics that and call for FA. But all in all, I think it's good.
Good.